Hey guys, it's George here from Archee Drums and I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to speak about something which I think is relevant for all drummers, and that is basically sometimes in life we cannot actually practice our drums. It's just not a convenient instrument, let's be honest. Sometimes we're travelling, sometimes we're visiting family or friends, and there's just no way you can take a drum kit on a train or an aeroplane. So how do we get around this? I mean, guitarists can just whip out a guitarist, or if you play the flute or recorder, you can just take it with you. It's so portable, right? So a drum kit's so big and clunky. So we revert to practice pads and playing on pillows and all that kind of stuff, right? And I really wanted to emphasize how important it is to actually get yourself a practice pad and really practice with it, because it's something that for the past 7 days I've actually just got a newborn puppy, and it is completely taken up all my time. Like, I literally cannot take my eyes off the little thing without it crying or going to the toilet, and I'm constantly looking after it. And I actually can't find the time at the moment to have the puppy with me in the same room and play a drum kit. I mean, I think I'd give him a little heart attack. So one thing I found really, really useful this week is I thought, okay, it's a bit of a bummer that I can't play my drum kit. Obviously, as drummers, we love to just sit on the drum kit for hours and hours, and that's the best form of practice. But actually, it's sometimes really good to just focus on one element of your playing. So for me, I've taken this last 7 days to basically really work on my left hand. Now, I'm always working on my left hand anyway when I'm playing, but never really this in depth. So I've actually been practicing for like 30 to 40 minutes just on my left hand. And I've been using exercises like the single stroke roll, 5-stroke roll, para diddle, and basically what I've been doing is just doing a left hand lead, and I've been playing around with the left hand accents. So I've wrote myself out a few different exercises and basically just working through these and really analysing myself as I'm playing them. And I'm noticing just such a huge difference by doing this. So if I can notice a difference in 7 days just by playing on a practice pad, then what can you do as well? And it's just something I wanted to share today, because I think that a lot of time drummers, including myself as well, we make excuses that we can't practice today because X, Y, and Z, or we can't practice because... And actually, that is an excuse, because we can always pretty much get out a pair of sticks and practice on a pillow or a practice pad. And like I say, you really can get an amazing benefit from doing this, so why the hell not? So anyway, that's my little thought of the day. Comment below, let me know what you think about practicing on a practice pad or a pillow and how beneficial you find it. Let me know if you do this regularly, or if you don't even have a practice pad. Let me know if you use anything else as an alternative. And yeah, it'd be great to chat, so comment below and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'd love to see more drummers coming into the community and engaging and supporting one another. And yeah, that's it from me today, guys. I'll be back with tomorrow.